Is your smart garage door opener giving you trouble connecting to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and we're here to help you fix it. First, let's check your internet connection. Make sure your router is working correctly and broadcasting a strong signal. Sometimes, a simple reboot of your router can resolve connectivity problems. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check the distance between your Wi-Fi router and your smart garage door opener. Too much distance can weaken the signal. Consider moving your router closer or using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength. Ensure your smart garage door opener is within range and has a clear path to your Wi-Fi network. Obstacles can interfere. Now, let's look at your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure your network name, SSID, is visible and not hidden. Also, verify that you are connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Most smart home devices do not support 5 GHz. Double-check your Wi-Fi password. A single incorrect character can prevent connection. It's often case-sensitive. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi password, you'll need to update it in your garage door opener's app settings. You might need to reset your smart garage door opener to its factory settings. Consult your device's manual for instructions. After a reset, you'll need to repair it with your Wi-Fi network and your smartphone app. If all else fails, contact the manufacturer's customer support. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps for your model. With these tips, you should be able to get your smart garage door opener back online and working smoothly.